Today, we're tackling a myth that has been around for decades, the idea that we only use 10% of our brain. It's a fascinating thought, but is there any truth to it? Let's dive in and find out. The myth suggests that we only utilize a small fraction of our brain's potential, implying that if we could tap into the other 90%, we'd unlock extraordinary abilities. Sounds cool, right? Well, let's see what science has to say. First, let's look at some brain basics. Our brain is an incredibly complex organ, made up of about 86 billion neurons. These neurons are constantly active, managing everything from basic functions like breathing to complex thoughts and emotions. Modern brain imaging technologies like fMRI and PET scans show us that virtually all parts of the brain have some level of activity, even when we're at rest. This means that there's no single dormant area waiting to be unlocked. Neuroscientists have debunked the 10% myth through various studies. They found that brain activity is spread out across different regions, depending on the task at hand. For example, different areas light up when you're solving a math problem compared to when you're listening to music. No matter what we're doing, our brains are active and engaged. Even simple tasks recognize the cooperations of multiple brain regions. So, why does this myth persist? It might be because the idea of untapped potential is so appealing. But the reality is, our brains are already working at full capacity, just in ways we might not fully understand yet. So, what's the verdict? The myth that we only use 10% of our brains is officially busted. Our brains are incredibly efficient and active, using all of their resources to help us navigate our world. Yeah, so if you guys want to learn about how the 5-second rule is also false, click that video right there. Thank you for watching Nextlex STEM. See you in the next one.